Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC32. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson DC32 smells funny and loses suction, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to a clogged filter or a blockage in the system. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage and decreased performance, so it's important to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement filter, and a clean cloth. To start, ensure that your Dyson is unplugged and on a flat surface. Begin by removing the canister from the main body of the vacuum. This can be done by pressing the release button and gently pulling it away. Next, you'll need to locate the filter, which is situated near the motor. Carefully unscrew the filter cover using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place. Once the cover is off, you can easily lift out the filter. Inspect it for any signs of damage or clogging. If it's dirty or smells, it's best to replace it with your new filter. When inserting the new filter, ensure it fits snugly in place. Reattach the filter cover, tightening the screws just enough to secure it without overdoing it, as this may strip the screws. Now, it's important to check for any blockages within the vacuum hose. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open any stubborn areas where debris may be lodged. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components while doing this. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you're satisfied that everything is clear, reassemble the canister back onto the main body of the vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to test the suction. You should notice a significant improvement in performance and a reduction in any unpleasant odors. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to clean your filter regularly, ideally every month, and to check for blockages frequently. Also, ensure that you're using the vacuum as intended, avoiding the collection of large debris that can cause clogs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.